Meet Tony, a lifelong car enthusiast from Chicago who decided to enroll in the automotive program to complete industry certifications and give back to others. 38% of students come to OTECH with previous college credit or degrees and use technical certificates to upskill or make a career change. Tony, tell us more about what brought you here. Take it away.
Alex, I appreciate that introduction. Hello, everyone. At 10 years old, I was taught to work on cars and to appreciate the high-performance muscle car classics. That's when I knew I'd be working on cars the rest of my life. When I decided I wanted to know how to diagnose and service any problem with any vehicle, I chose the OTECH Automotive program. I knew I'd receive a top-notch education and get all of my automotive service certifications. I could also use my experience to give back to the community and share knowledge with other students while gaining new skills myself. I've enjoyed interacting with people from diverse backgrounds and experiences. My expert instructors are always there to support me in my course curriculum and in my hands-on tasks with actual vehicles. If I ever need help in the shop, my classmates are always there, and I love to do the same for them. One of my favorite memories in the program so far was helping another student get an engine running.
All right, Eric, go ahead and start it up.
She was so excited when it fired up that she jumped right off the ground.
Yes!
Everyone in the shop knows that feeling. Yes! I got to attend an Autorama car show for a student career day. I saw custom-built cars, trucks, and motorcycles and was able to network with the shops who created them. The automotive program has had a huge impact on my life, and I'm so grateful for the scholarship donors who made it possible for me to attend. My plan after graduation is to pay it forward and teach automotive repair to others. I will continue to bless people with my no-cost labor ministry, where I teach people to service their vehicles from my home. Back to you, Alex.
Tony, it seems like the relationships you've built with instructors and your fellow students are already having a positive impact on people's lives, including your own. We're sure the skills you share with others, both here and in the future, will make a significant difference. Thanks again.